I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Wise account back into your local bank account. If you're looking for how to send international transfers, I've got a separate video for that, which I'll link down in the description below. So the first thing we need to do is get any money in our account back into our local currency. For me, that's pound sterling. So I'm going to send a local UK transfer. For you, that might be dollars or euros or something else. So just get your local currency first. The way that we would do that is go to our main account. So this tab in the middle, press main account. Then press convert. I've got £10 here, right? So if you press convert here, whatever other currencies you have, you just want to do an FX first back into your local currency. So you have your local currency that you can send via a local bank transfer. Once we've done that, what we have to do is add ourselves as a recipient. So we're going to add our local bank details, whichever bank that you want to send the money to, you can add that as a separate recipient. So down at the bottom, press recipients. And then in the middle here, we're going to press add recipient. And it says, which currency do you want to send? For me, the local currency is pounds. I'm going to be using the UK faster payment system from Wise to my other bank. But for you, it might be something different. Local currency for me is pounds, so I'm going to choose that. And then it says, how do you want to send the money? So bank details down here. And it says, what's your recipient? Well, I'm going to be sending from my Wise account to my other bank account locally, so I'm going to choose myself. And then from here, it says the full account of the full name of the account holder. That's going to be auto-populated via the information that you've given Wise, and it should be the exact same details that you have on your other bank account, right? Now, for me, local bank account here, it's just giving me a sort code and account number. In the UK, that's how we do bank transfers, via an account number and a sort code. And it's, of course, a local bank transfer because my Wise account is UK, so it's transferring to a UK bank account. Now, you can send internationally as well, right? So if I just press this one and press IBAN or SWIFT, those are going to be international transfers to other bank accounts that I have in other countries. But I'm just going to do a local bank transfer because I just want to take the money from my Wise into my other local bank. So local bank transfer is fine for me. In the UK, I just need a UK sort code and account number. If you're in the US, you might need wire details or ACH or something, SWIFT or SEPA in the Eurozone, right? Put your bank details in here. Press continue, and then you will add the recipient, which is yourself. Now, once you've done that, you can go back out into your recipients. And at the bottom here, you should see that you've added yourself as a recipient. It will be your name. And just by your initials here on the left-hand side, you should see a flag denoting the currency of that account. So I've added a pound account, and I can just press this now. I'll just show you if I press this recipient. And it says, this is the recipient that you want to send to. I'm just showing you the dollar account as an example, but it should have the bank details that you've added to your local bank account. You can press send. You'll have your local currency. Once you've done that, it will just check that you want to send the correct amount. It will just do that bank transfer, send from your Wise bank account into your other local bank account.